Ailerons are fascinating components of an aircraft that play a crucial role in how planes maneuver in the sky. Located on the trailing edge of each wing, these small hinged surfaces are responsible for controlling the roll of the aircraft. When a pilot wants to turn, they adjust the ailerons. One goes up while the other goes down. This creates a difference in lift between the two wings. Imagine you're in a car and you want to turn left. You lean your body to the left, shifting your weight. In a similar way, when the left aileron moves up, it reduces lift on that wing, while the right aileron moves down, increasing lift on the right wing. This difference in lift causes the aircraft to roll to the left, allowing it to turn smoothly. The mechanics behind ailerons are rooted in the principles of aerodynamics. When the aileron moves down, it deflects the airflow downward, increasing the pressure on that wing. Conversely, when the aileron moves up, it disrupts the airflow, decreasing pressure and lift. This clever manipulation of airflow is what allows pilots to execute precise turns and maintain control during flight. But it's not just about turning. Ailerons also help stabilize the aircraft. In turbulent conditions, they can adjust automatically to keep the wings level, ensuring a smoother ride. This is particularly important for passenger comfort and safety. Interestingly, ailerons are often paired with other control surfaces, like elevators and rudders, to create coordinated turns. This teamwork among the aircraft's control surfaces ensures that the plane doesn't just roll, but also maintains altitude and direction. In larger aircraft, you might find advanced systems like fly-by-wire technology, where computers assist in controlling the ailerons, making adjustments faster and more accurately than a human could. This technology enhances safety and efficiency, allowing for smoother operations even in challenging conditions. So, the next time you see an airplane soaring through the sky, remember the vital role ailerons play in its flight. They're not just simple flaps, they're essential tools that enable pilots to navigate the skies with precision and grace. Understanding how they work gives us a deeper appreciation for the engineering marvels that allow us to fly.